Hey everyone, it's Mark with Nightingale University, and today we're going to be looking at the movements of our CXO, which comes as a standard task chair, the 6200. Afterwards, you can add a headrest that makes it the 6200D. I'd like to show you some of the unique features to our CXO now. Every CXO comes standard with our Enersorb seat cushioning. Also, the Enersorb is in our thoracic lumbar pillow and our headrest. Now I'd like to show you folks the arms on the CXO, the 4D or 4-directional arms. They are an intuitive adjustment for width. Simply manually pull those out or adjust them back in. On the inside of your 4D arm, you have two buttons. The back button is your front and back motion. The front button is your three-way pivot. Also, for height adjustment, has a great 4-inch reach to these arms. On the outside, you simply lift that button as the arm rises with you, 4 inches, and simply press up and lower back down. In the front of your seat, you're going to find a seat slider. It's a little bar that is in a lot of cars, or used to be in a lot of cars. Very simple to use. Okay. The lumbar pillow is also on a ratchet system. So you simply raise it, and it's going to reach the right thoracic area for your support. There's also a button on top, and that allows the lumbar pillow to go in and out. Okay. Headrest also is on a ratcheting system. You easily raise it up and to the top height, and it will come right back down for you. Okay. Now I'm just going to sit in our CXO and show you folks some movements. Our CXO comes with a synchro tilt mech. What that means, folks, is when you lean back in your chair, the back of your seat also slightly drops down as well. What that allows for is your feet to stay flat on the ground as you recline. You're not getting this lifting motion, which puts, over time especially, puts tremendous stress not only on your leg, but your lower back and spine. So the synchro knee tilt negates all of that problem. Okay, you also on the right side, you've got two adjustment levers. Your paddle is simply your gas lift for up and down. And of course you want to lower it so your knee is at a 90-degree angle. Now this, what looks to be like a motorcycle throttle, that's your adjustment for the tension on your back recline. So turn it right for tight and left for loose. So that's going to give you a lot of resistance or very little resistance, almost really like a rocking chair motion. Okay? On our right hand side, we have the tilt lock position lever, and it's unlimited positions, folks, that you can put this chair in. It's up or down. When your paddle is down, it's in a free floating position, and the back of our CXO is going to move literally with you as you go about your workday. If you want it to be locked in a certain position that you prefer, you lift your paddle up and it stays in that position. Now to unlock that, you're going to want to push your paddle down again. You want to put a bit of pressure. You heard the click? That click releases it. It's called a positive back release. Now watch as I move forward again. It moves with me. It does not catapult or throw me out of the chair. Okay? Now I'd like to show you folks how this one chair fits 95% of our population. This is our standard task chair, the 6200. Now I'm just quickly going to adjust our 6200D to its farthest reaching positions. And now you folks can see the vast difference in this chair between the two heights. This is the same chair, folks. This chair can fit comfortably someone who's 5'6", and this chair, the 6200D, can fit somebody who's 6'5". And so there's a little bit of information on the movements of our CXO. For more information, you're welcome to come to nightingalechairs.com. Thank you.